Taian Haishu Machinery Company Limited, established in 2010, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sales, and service of CNC machine tools. Products include CNC lathe, wheel CNC lathe, pipe CNC lathe, turning center, machining center, and special CNC machine tools. We are located in Taian City with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. We have an experienced research and development team of CNC machine tools. They are always available to discuss your requirements, to provide customers with machining solutions, and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has produced a lot of special purpose CNC machine tools for our customers, such as fully automatic turning milling machine tools, 5-axis machining center, 5-axis tool grinder, car wheel automatic processing lines. In addition, we have obtained CE certificates, selling well in many cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as United States, Britain, Germany, Russia, Turkey, Australia, Peru, South Korea, Iran, South Africa, and across Europe, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Oceania, 48 countries. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.